Shooting is the most important skill in basketball. A large part of shooting is mental attitude. In addition to shooting, you must have confidence in yourself to shoot well. The integration of the mental and mechanical aspects of shooting fosters shooting success. This is an example of shooting. Kumain ka ba? As you can see, shooting looks easy, but it is not. So here's a quick roadmap of the stationary shooting fundamentals that you should know. Eyes on the ball, stance and balance, shot rocket, grip, balance hand, delivery, up force and landing, follow through, correct shot.
Passing is the common technique in a sport that uses balls. A pass consists of intentional transfer of the ball from one player to another facility. Passing in basketball has defined as the deliberate attempt to move a live ball between two teams. Passing is divided into two types, the basic and the advanced. In basic variation, there are three types, which is the chest pass, bounce pass, and overhead pass. Then in the second type is the advanced variation. There are also three types under this. Baseball pass, dribble pass, and behind the back pass. In the behind the back pass is when you wrap the ball around your back to throw ball. It is used to avoid the defender when making a pass across the front of you would be risky. It can also be used to throw the ball to player trailing in the fast break.
Dribbling is the maneuvering a ball by one player while moving in a given direction, avoiding player defenders' attempts to intercept the ball. A successful dribble will bring the ball past defenders legally and create opportunities to score.
Layups is a two-point shoot attempts made by leading from, laying the ball out near the basket, and using one hand to bounce it off the backboard and into the basket.
Jump stop. This is a very important drill that all coaches should use. It will improve your players' balance with the struggles, improve pivoting skills to create space, and improve confidence. This is how you do it.
Pivoting and footwork define both the act of keeping one foot in place while moving the other. A forward pivot would have the player stepping forward in a counterclockwise motion. A reverse pivot would have the player stepping backwards in a clockwise motion. So here is an example on how to pivot.
Next is footwork. Proper footwork is the foundation of game basketball. Building a skill set of solid footwork techniques can ensure the proper development of 12 years old players and high school players.
Jump step is when you fake that you drive towards the opposite direction or shoot the ball. Here is an example. Tip: when you drive towards the basket after performing the jump step, utilize your body to seal off the defensive player from getting in front of you, especially if the defensive player guards you tightly.
Screening is a blocking move by an offensive player by standing beside or behind the defender to free teamwork to shoot, receive a pass or driving to score. Here is the example in screening. Cutting. Cutting describes the action of a player moving across the court. It is used to describe a player making a concerted effort to move quickly across the court in an attempt to get open to receive pass or draw the defense away from a teammate. So here's an example of cutting.
Defense. The team with the ball is called offense, and the team without the ball is called defense. They try to steal the ball, contest shots, steal and deflect passes, and garner rebounds. So this is an example of a defense.
Rebound is also rebound as a point. This when player retrieves the ball after a miss. Free throw or a missed shot on his team's offensive end. Rebound in basketball are a routine part in the game. It allows the offensive team to take possession. There are two types of rebound: offensive rebound, defensive rebound. Offensive rebound, the ball is recovered by the offensive side and does not change possession. Defensive rebound, the defending team takes the ball from the offensive team. A block is not considered a rebound.